Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to show you about what is sound. We are from M.6/8. My name's Patadon Terisu, number 27.
My name is Pongson Jankonken, number 33.
Alit Kamlap, number 26.
วันโชคพุทธาวร number 23
Let's see the show.
What is sound? Sound is a type of energy that travels in waves. We call these waves sound waves or acoustic waves. When an object moves, it may produce sound waves as the object vibrates or shakes. It causes tiny pieces of air called molecules to move as well. First it pulls the molecules together and then it pulls them apart. This action makes a wave of sound that moves through the air. You can see the vibration that makes sound waves when you pluck or pull the string of a guitar. You can feel this vibration if you place your finger on your throat when you talk.
The speed of the vibration of an object sets the pitch of the sound that the object makes. A fast vibration makes short wave. Short wave make a sound that has a high pitch, such as the ring of a bell or scratch of car brakes. A slow vibration make a long wave. Long wave make a sound with low pitch, such as the growl of an animal or the hum of a refrigerator.
The strength of the vibration of the object determines how loud a sound is. A strong vibration makes big waves and a weak vibration makes small waves. When you gently pluck a guitar string, the string vibrates weakly and the sound is soft. When you pluck the string with great force, the vibration is strong and the sound is loud. So, we can measure the loudness or softness of a sound in units called decibel.
Humans and many animals have ears that enable them to hear sound. The shape of the human ear helps to gather sound waves and send through a tube through the eardrum. As the waves pass through the eardrum, they cause it to vibrate. The body changes the vibrations, whether fast, slow, strong, or weak, into impulses that travel along nerves to the brain. The brain then helps us understand the sounds we are hearing. The human ear can detect many sounds, but humans cannot hear all sounds. Only certain animals are aware of high-pitched sound called ultrasound.
Sound is the brain's interpretation of waves of pressure traveling through a medium. These waves of pressure can be produced by any vibrating object, like strings of a guitar, drums, or our own vocal cords. When these vibrations hit our ears, specific nerve cells are stimulated to fire electrical signals up to our brain, which then interprets it as sound. Thus, we have the conscious experience of hearing. Since sound needs a medium through which to travel, we cannot hear sound in space. The human ear is capable of hearing sounds within a frequency range of 20 to 20,000 Hz. Although we cannot hear sounds out of this range, many creatures have adapted to these frequencies. We know that sound is caused when something vibrates and that motion is transferred to the air molecules nearest the object, which then bumps into other molecules, and a chain reaction occurs. But what is the nature of sound? It seems like a ghost that only takes shape in our heads. So, is it not real? Is sound a quality belonging to the medium or to the object making the sound? Although these questions do not have straight answers, they force us to rethink about what we have always thought was so real. Regardless of what one might think about sound, hearing is one of the 5 amazing senses we've got. Hearing, in a sense, gives us extra awareness of our surroundings. Talking allows us to communicate with others and makes us feel connected. Certain combinations of these abstract waves of pressure can amazingly soothe our minds, reduce stress, and trigger feelings associated with our past experiences. Music not only can move us, inspire us, but even improve our analytical skills.